disturbs the Empress.
Round 1. Fight!
Hello, E-Monkians, it's E-Monk here, and today we are going over Mileena's famous, gorgeous, beautiful outside teeth, of course. Now, if y'all remember, I did 2 live streams over this, so I'll put them up in the eye now. Watch that first before this. Alright, let's go. Okay, this part was right after the stream, the live stream y'all saw, and that was the other half of the teeth. Now, I had to do it this way because I couldn't exactly do this on stream, simply because my kitchen is not where my office is. So, yeah. But we're basically working on the bottom teeth. We're going to form it to match up to these teeth right here up top. So, you're just going to keep going until you have all teeth that form straight to the top teeth. So, count how many bottom teeth she has. I don't exactly recall at this point in time how many teeth there are. I think there's 4 bottom teeth. Maybe 5. I think it's 4 though. But yeah. Okay, so just line it up to those teeth. That way it matches whenever you close your mouth. Alright? And do it out of Instamorph. Y'all might be noticing that I'm using scissors. It's to get that perfect sharp edge. I do warn caution though when you are using scissors to be careful not to cut yourself, and also be careful putting these at a point, because even though they're sitting away from your cheek, they can potentially possibly hurt you. So just keep that in mind. So I wouldn't make it a complete point, just dull the edge just a tad. I would highly recommend that. Okay, back to the video. Now after this is when you would follow the live stream and mix the 3rd degree like I showed in the live stream. Again, it'll be in the eye. Thank you!
Mileena wins. Fatality.
Your beautiful face. Do the earrings count too?
Technically, yeah, but not those.
Na 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 boo boo.